Have you ever wondered how hackers can penetrate a website's database? Or maybe you've heard that SQL injection is one of the most dangerous cyber attacks, but you don't exactly know how it works. If you want to learn how this attack is performed and, more importantly, how to prevent it, then this course is exactly for you. And the best part is that you can get this course completely free right now. The course I'm introducing, SQL Injection Tutorial. The original price of this course is around €20. Thousands of people have enrolled in this course and left positive reviews. What will you learn in this course? What SQL injection is and how it works. How to secure databases against this type of attack. Testing and penetration techniques for vulnerable databases. Advanced methods to prevent SQL injection attacks. This course is suitable for both beginners and those who want to understand cybersecurity better. How to get this course for free. Open your browser and search for couponcenter5.com. Make sure to enter the address correctly to reach the official website. Coupon Center 5 is an amazing website that offers many free courses with discount codes in various categories. So if you love learning for free, be sure to check it out. After entering the website, go to the IT and software section. You'll find many courses in this category. Find the course you're looking for and click on it. Scroll down the page and click the Go to the Course button. Now, you'll see that you can enroll in this course completely free. But remember, this discount is available for a limited time, so enroll as soon as possible. If you want to get more free courses and improve your skills, be sure to visit Coupon Center 5. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video.